It's recording already.
Alright, here we go, buddy. Oh, please don't. Please don't drop that. Please don't drop that. For you, buddy. I'm gonna fall here. No!
He's gonna fall, dude.
No!
You asshole! I'm sorry, buddy. It's not starting, guys. Hold up.
Hold on, you gotta step on that.
Take two.
No.
Oh, shit. Re-enter the code.
Hey, Leo.
Shut Leo. There we go.
There's not enough weight.
Oh. Oh.
Stand by him, Leo. Hold him up. Hold him up. It's not heavy enough.
I've run it before, just barely stepping on it.
Leo, dude. It won't.
I think you have to lift him up and push him back down.
Go ahead, Tyler.
It's already wet. Oh, shit.
Hold on.
He's got a hose. Oh, shit. Oh. Sorry, Brandon. Hi, buddy.
You're a dick.
Bye.
That was partially your idea.
No. Well, yes.
Is it going? It's not
going. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.